Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to make the chicken biryani with easy and simple ways and suitable things in the home. Continue the video to know how we will make it. We will need for 2 yogurt. For the spices we will need for dry coriander, cumin, black pepper, 2 big spoons of biryani spices, paprika, and curry and turmeric. Green coriander, minced ginger, and minced garlic. And here the chicken, I cut it into pieces. And salt. And 2 small horns of the hot green pepper, and 1 small spoon or half small spoon of the chili puree. Here from this container, and I make one from it in the one video, the before video. I put the links in the card, you can see it. And here I will cut some onions into rings and brown them in 1 big spoon of plumper and 2 spoons of oil. And here I will add everything and stir them together. And here I will not cut the green pepper horns into small rings because the chili puree will give some spicy for the biryani. And here I will take the chicken and I will put it in the mixture and mix it all with the chicken. Here I will work on high degree in the first 15 minutes. Then I will work on low degree so the chicken will not get chopped. Here I will add the chicken into a tray without putting anything in this tray, only the chicken. And here I will put the chicken all in the tray with all the mixture in the plate. And here I will add the half of the onion because I will need the other half in the last of the video. Also the oil that I browned the onion in it, I will add only half because I will need the other half in the rice. And here I will cover the chicken and let us go now to make the rice. Here the chicken started to get ripen and I will reduce the fire under it. Here I add washed basmati rice on boiling water on high heat. Also I add with it bay leaf and black pepper, beans, nut powder, 2 hill pills and cumin, also beans, nut powder and cloves. And the rice will take on the fire from 7 to 10 minutes, and I'm sorry because the camera stops from me because of the high temperature in the kitchen. Here the chicken gets ready. Now I will add the rice for this chicken, and the rice will get ready from the sauce that in the chicken boiling down. You can see it in the video. So as I tell, the rice will be on the fire for 7 or 10 minutes, then we will add it for the chicken. And I will add also saffron with 1 spoon of water and 1 spoon of rose water, and I will add also the green coriander and the onion that I leave it from the first of the video. And here I add the other half of the oil that I added on the chicken, and I leave another half to add it on the rice. Now I add it, but the camera stops because of the temperature, the high temperature in the kitchen. So you will add also after the onion and coriander and the saffron, you will add also the oil. And here I will cover it with foil paper, and I will cover it also with the tray cover, and I will leave it on low high as we are making the normal rice with noodles. And here the biryani get ready, and I finished. Now I will scoop it in a tray and I will come again. Here we finished the chicken biryani. I hope you try to make it because everyone will like it. The kids will like it, adults will like it because it's really tasty. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and write your comment. Bye. See you in the next video.